Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 21st, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame on Friday did close engulfing up, and it did respect to 78%. So I am definitely looking for longs on shorter time frames now. Hopefully, I will learn and earn at the same time whether this is just going to continue the weekly, monthly time frame uptrend, making a nice higher low, or whether this move up right here is potentially just going to be a pullback to this last move down and it goes down and gives us a break of structure. Either way, we will be looking for longs while we hopefully learn and earn. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got a very impulsive move up right here. Now we got it could end up doing something like this, more of a three-way pullback like that. That's probably what I would like to see for my next potential entry is a nice three-way pullback, hopefully for the continuation of the uptrend. If the daily time frame maintains a very impulsive move to the upside, then more than likely we're continuing the weekly, monthly time frame uptrend. If it becomes very, very overlapping and corrective, then that's going to tell us that this move up is likely just a crescent to the daily time frame last wave down. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, linked down here, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.